So, dear students, let's move further for the last paragraph. So, in the last paragraph, the poetess wanted to tell us that first I will read from all the lines, then you can understand well. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So this is the last paragraph of this poem, and in this last paragraph, the poetess wanted to tell us that beauty lies within us, and whenever we feel good, everything seems to be beautiful, and when we are upset, so then everything is lose its importance for us. So always beauty is in ourselves, in our good deeds. When we are doing good things for others, then we feel happy, and in our happy thoughts, in our thinking, we should think good all the times that repeat themselves in your dreams. And even in our dreams, when we are happy, then in dreams also we are happy, and we repeat our good thoughts and good deeds in our dreams also. And also in the work, when we do work, we feel happy, we feel good. And even in your rest, and after doing work, when we are so much tired, then even in your rest you feel good, and good deeds are there, happy thoughts are there in your mind. Like, for example, if you are learning for test and you are tired, but when you are tired, you are resting, in your thoughts you are thinking that tomorrow I will give a good test and everybody will appreciate me. So this is the beauty within us. All the beautiful thoughts which are coming in our mind is beauty only. So beauty only, not we cannot only see, we can hear, we can feel. All these things are there in this poem. So it is a very beautiful and simple poem that you can learn so easily. So dear students, you have to write this poem in your Fair English notebook with proper heading and poetess name. One time again, I am going to tell you the full summary of this poem in my own words. The poetess is trying to say that in this poem, that beauty is in everything. All the small things we do, or the environment around us, everything has beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All the things are important. All the things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in the growing corns, people who are working and dancing for getting good harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. For instance, or for example, when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings. They all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within us. Beauty is the self. Our good deeds. Deeds means things which we do. Our good deeds, happy thoughts, please everyone, are all beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful, as they give us reason to advance and work with enthusiasm and zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. So this is the summary in my own words which I have written. So dear students, you have to write this poem in your English literature notebook with proper heading and poetess name. Full poem you have to write. So dear students,